Welcome to a new video. In this video, we're going to talk about the 5 ways to make money by watching videos. Let's get into the video. We all groan when an advertisement interrupts our chosen video content. But what if you were getting paid to watch? Believe it or not, several sites pay you to watch ads, previews, and other content, including movies and TV shows. Although it won't make you rich, watching online videos in your free time can earn you gift cards and extra cash that might help you stash away some savings. There are a number of companies looking for new members to help them out, so here's how you can get started. Number 1. Inbox Dollars. Since the company was founded in 2000, Inbox Dollars had paid its members more than $59 million in cash. With an A rating with the Better Business Bureau and plenty of great reviews on Trustpilot, Inbox Dollars is a legitimate site that will pay you to watch videos online. Inbox Dollars has a variety of videos in different categories available for you to watch on its video channel. You'll be able to see how much you can earn before watching, anywhere from a few cents to a few dollars, and you can watch as many videos as you want. Inbox Dollars makes money from big companies that want you to see their content and shares a portion of their earnings with you. Number 2. MyPoints. MyPoints is a reward site that's been around since 1996. The company has an A rating with the Better Business Bureau and thousands of excellent reviews on Trustpilot. With MyPoints, you can use your account to earn rewards when you shop, on top of coupon discounts, take online surveys, and play games for points. And of course, watch videos. To earn points watching videos with MyPoints, you'll need to complete a playlist of videos. You can earn on-site with your computer or rack up extra points when you use the MyPoints mobile app, which is available for both Android and iOS. You can earn up to 500 points per day watching video playlists. The value of each point depends on the redemption you choose. One of the unique things about MyPoints is that it partners with United Airlines, so you can use your points to add miles to your United Mileage Plus account. Number 3. Swagbucks. Owned by the same company as MyPoints and Inbox Dollars, Swagbucks is a popular rewards program that was founded in 2004. The company has an A rating with the Better Business Bureau and thousands of excellent reviews on Trustpilot. Swagbucks lets you earn points for shopping at partner retailers, searching the web, answering surveys, and watching videos. It's paid its users more than $434 million, and it gives out 7,000 gift cards per day. Users can choose to cash out via PayPal or redeem their points for gift cards. 100 Swagbucks equals $1. Swagbucks notes that some committed users have earned over $10,000 on the site, but casual users tend to earn $25 to $100 in extra cash each month. Although it won't make you rich. Number 4. Cashkick. Like other tried and true apps on our list, Cashkick partners with companies that are eager to get feedback from consumers like you. While Cashkick doesn't have a dedicated page with the Better Business Bureau, it is a legitimate site that allows you to earn rewards in several different ways. Cashkick users can get rewarded for watching short videos, taking surveys, downloading and playing games, signing up for services, and completing other tasks on their computer or mobile device. The payout for each activity varies, and users can choose to cash out their earnings via PayPal once they have $10 in their Cashkick account. With Cashkick, you also have the option to refer friends and earn rewards. When a friend signs up with your referral link and completes tasks on Cashkick. Number 5. Nielsen. For more than 90 years, Nielsen has been tracking what samples of the population are listening to and watching in order to provide businesses with insights about how their content is performing. Nielsen is an S&P 500 company with market research operations in more than 100 countries. One of the ways Nielsen rates content is through collecting data on the behavior of Nielsen families, which are households that are selected to represent greater communities. You can't volunteer to be a Nielsen family, but if you are selected, you will receive gifts for participating. You can also sign up to be part of the Nielsen Computer and Mobile Panel. To participate, you'll download software onto your devices. The mobile app is available for both iPhones and Android devices. From there, just use the internet and watch content as you normally would. There's no need to watch specific videos. You'll help companies improve their products, and you'll also have the opportunity to earn rewards and sweepstake entries. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to like and subscribe to the channel.